It's interesting. Dwayne Sharp is contesting this event. Jason Pitter is contesting the under-20 boys section. Both could have competed here.
Yeah, competed here, but Pitter, liking his chances with the U20, wants to go to the World Under-20 Games.
Dwayne Sharp of Calabar runs out of lane number 8.
Yeah, 46.73 at his very best this year.
Lane number 7, we've got Nicholas Jones from Lacovia.
Ran a very brave race to finish second in the 400-meter hurdles at these championships.
In lane 6 from Kingston College, Jordan Riedel.
Has 200-meter final later on, but he looked very well in qualifying, 48.32.
Lane number 5 from Rossies. It's Tierney Barrett.
Yeah, he will meet with Red Riedel again at 200 meters. They had a tough semi-final to navigate yesterday.
In lane 4 from Monroe College, Jehon Salmon.
Salmon 49.13. Nice, tall and rangy young athlete.
In lane 3 from William Nib at Tishane Garvey.
Yeah, Garvey, a good program at William Nib at 400 meters.
In lane number 2, the second competitor from Rossies, Kejon Salki.
Yeah, 49.83 for Salki in qualifying.
And in lane 1, the second rep from Kingston College, Roshane Howard.
Yeah, Howard, a big part of his Kingston College 400 squad. Tight lane 1 for him. Has run sub 48 this season. But eyes on the middle of the track with Salmon, Barrett, Riedel, Jones, and even Dwayne Sharp on the outside will make for interesting running.
Under 18 boys, 400-meter final. Christopher Taylor has the national junior record. Stunning 44.88 seconds. Set back in 2015.
Set.
Sent underway now, a clean start for the boys under 18 400-meter final. Salmon, Barrett, Riedel, Nicholas Jones of Lacovia is in business early as well. Jordan Riedel of Kingston College is moving very, very well down the backstretch, being tracked by Salmon of Monroe College. The rest have some catching up to do. Riedel is moving fluidly at this stage. On the outside, Dwayne Sharp of Calabar is moving well. Off the top bend, they spin now. Sharp, Riedel, and Barrett of Rossies is making a late call. Look at Lacovia's Nicholas Jones trying to catch them. Barrett of Rossies and Riedel of Kingston College. Riedel gets there in the final analysis from Barrett. 46.96, a new lifetime best for Jordan Riedel. Brilliant run coming down from his previous PB of 47.60. Barrett of Rossies second, 47.05. Nicholas Jones of Lacovia gets third, 47.36.
Brave running on the outside from Dwayne Sharp in lane number 8. Riedel chasing him all the way around with Barrett trying to stay with Riedel. Jones at this point in fourth, but he will finish fast. They turn into the home stretch and it's Jordan Riedel with a full head of steam. Barrett trying to hustle back. Sharp, the pace too much, too hot. He stops at 50 meters and it's Riedel and Barrett doing the battle, going to the line with Jones closing ever so quickly. But for the very first time, Jordan Riedel dips below 47 seconds with a brand new personal best, 46.98. What a performance from him. And Barrett gets through for a personal best as well. Jones, his 400-meter strength and 400-meter hurdles perseverance gets him into third. But Jordan Riedel, what a performance from him. Has shown so much promise over the years. And to come to the National Junior Championship to get a personal best at this time of the year says a lot about his dedication.
That personal best, 46.98 seconds for Jordan Riedel. Barrett second, 47.05. Nicholas Jones third, 47.36.